If I tell a computer to open Google, why doesn't it just do it? Because computers are actually clueless without translators. Sounds weird, right? We call them smart machines, powerful systems, even intelligent. But here's the truth: a computer does not understand English or Spanish, or even logic the way we do. It understands only one thing: binary, zeros and ones. And that's exactly why computers need translators. Let me ask you something. When you write print hello world, it feels simple, right? But do you really think the computer reads this and goes, "Oh wow, a greeting. How nice"? No. To the computer, this is just weird symbols, random text, and pure confusion. This is where translators come in. Think of computers as someone who speaks only one language, and that language is machine language. No shortcuts, no emotion, no flexibility, just zeros and ones. But you don't speak that language unless you're this guy. So what do? We use translators to act as a middleman between humans and machines. There are three main types of translators exist. Let's explore one by one. First up, the compiler. A compiler takes your entire program and translates it into machine language all at once. If there's one mistake somewhere, the compiler says, "Nope, fix everything first." Languages like C, C++, and Java uses compilers. Next, the interpreter. This one is more patient. It reads your code line by line, executes one line, then moves to the next. That's why languages like Python feel so friendly. One mistake, the interpreter stops right there and tells you to fix it. And finally, the assembler. This one works very close to the hardware. It converts assembly language into machine code. This is where software starts shaking hands with hardware. Now here's the part most people miss. Without translators, computers have no idea what you are doing. Translators don't just help computers understand us. They help us build faster apps, safer systems, and powerful softwares. Without translators, programming would mean writing pages of binary values. And trust me, no human wants that life. So every time your code works, remember this. Computer didn't understand you. A translator did the heavy lifting. Translators are real heroes of computing. And now you know why computers need translators to understand instructions. In the upcoming video, we'll go even deeper into how code becomes execution. And thanks for watching. This is Vacuum Bytes.